Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can cut straight lines on porcelain or ceramic tile without having to use a wet saw. So the first thing I'm going to do is just make a mark to show you where I want this tile cut. Make sure the line is nice and square. Okay, so the tool I'm going to use today is this tile cutter. This one's by Cobalt. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing one yourself. You put the tile in and you push it up against the front of this tile cutter to make sure the tile is square. Then you line up your line with the scoring wheel. When scoring your tile, make sure to just do one smooth pass with moderate pressure on the tile. You do not want to go back and forth. Just one time with moderate pressure is enough. Then press down and it will snap the tile into your two pieces. Works great for 12 by 12 tiles like this one, all the way down to subway tiles and anything in between. You'd be shocked at how much you can do and how much you can accomplish on a tiling job with just this one tool. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.